business is doing well for you and you got a brand strategy that is just out of this world. And now you're like, I want to go ahead and start a YouTube channel, but don't know exactly how to go about starting it. And I don't want to hire a YouTube specialist to help me in creating my YouTube channel. Well, go ahead and stay tuned while I give you a tutorial on how to take your brand strategy and turn it into a YouTube content and growth strategy.
Learning AI, we're here to educate. Teaching the community AI tools the latest. Unlocking the potential, knowledge at your hands. Together we rise, ain't no limit on demand. Step into the future, join the AI revolution.
What's good, everyone? Welcome to Black Learning AI, where I give you step-by-step tutorials on how to implement AI into your daily lives, into the workforce environment, and into your business. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tutorials. All right, I'm gonna just hop right into it. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how you can take your brand strategy, which if you missed the tutorial on how to create a brand strategy using ChatGPT, the link to that particular video is down below. So what we're gonna end up doing is taking the brand strategy that I've already created in ChatGPT and taking that and turning it into a YouTube growth strategy plan and a YouTube content strategy plan. This is for those who want to start a YouTube channel and are starting from zero. All right. So I already have my ChatGPT window open. All right. Go ahead and close that sidebar. And here I'll just go over, I created a brand strategy for a fitness apparel line called Black&Yoga. All right. And so the first video on this channel is showing you how to create a brand strategy for your business idea, and also showing you how to create a name for that business idea that you have. All right. So we already have a brand strategy. So what do I want to do now? I want to go ahead. I'm starting from zero. I want to go ahead and start a YouTube channel using ChatGPT to help me out with this strategy. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go over to my screen and get my prompt, a prompt that I've written. All right. Real simple prompt. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it in there. And what I'm going to do is, this is an old YouTube strategy for my wife's YouTube channel. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead using the following information above for Black&Yoga brand strategy, and the following 2024, because we're going into 2024. I'm gonna go ahead and say 2024 monthly YouTube information. We have 0 views because we're starting from scratch. 0 views, 0 hours watch time, 0 subscribers. Average view is 0 minutes and 0 seconds. No impressions, so we're gonna go ahead and put 0 impressions there, and 0% impressions click-through rate. Put 0%. Rate. Write a detailed YouTube strategy to grow exponentially weekly for the first quarter, because I did this for my wife, Angelica Prather, for the last quarter, all right, for her YouTube channel, for the first quarter of the year 2024. When you do these prompts, they definitely have to be detailed, all right, so that you can get the best results. Include how many shows should be published weekly and the duration of each video. All right. So again, I'm going to read over the prompt so that you can get a clear understanding of what the prompt. And don't forget to grab this prompt down below in the description. All right. Using all the following information above for Black and Yoga brand strategy and the following 2024 monthly YouTube information: 0 views, 0 hours watch time, 0 subscribers, average view duration is 0 minutes and 0 seconds, 0 impressions and 0% impressions click-through rate. Write a detailed YouTube strategy to grow exponentially weekly for the first quarter of the year 2024. Include how many shows should be published weekly and the duration of each video. Go ahead, hit send message, and watch ChatGPT do its thing. Look, folks, if you don't have the funds to go ahead and hire someone like a brand strategist, a digital marketing expert, a YouTube strategy expert, you can use AI to your advantage, specifically ChatGPT. And in other tutorials, we'll go over the other various tools that are out there to use and to implement. All right. So here it is. It's giving you, it's spewing out for the first quarter of 2024. And then we're going to read over what it has given it, what's given to us. All right. So it reads, the response is: developing a YouTube strategy for Black and Yoga, especially from a starting point of 0 views and subscribers, involves a focused and creative approach. The aim is to leverage the brand's unique identity and values to create content that resonates with the target audience and encourages engagement and growth. Here's a detailed strategy for the first quarter of 2024. Week 1 through 4, establishing foundation, content focus. Introduce the Black and Yoga brand, its mission, vision, and values. Highlight the unique aspects of the brand and its relevance to African American women in fitness. All right. Video frequency, 2 videos per week. All right. Video duration, 3 to 5 minutes each, focusing on engaging content that is easy to consume. All right. Content types: brand story video, introduce Black and Yoga, its founders, and the inspiration behind it. Product showcase, highlight the unique features of the apparel line. Week 5 through 8, building community. Content focus, share stories and experiences of African American women in fitness and yoga. Begin to incorporate community generated content. Video frequency, increase to 3 videos per week. So as you can see, from week 1 through 4, you're doing 2 videos. All right. Week 5 through 8, to build community, you're going now from 2 videos per week to 3 videos per week. And then now the video duration is 5 to 7 minutes each, providing more in-depth content. Content styles, content types: community spotlight, feature stories of real women who embody the brand's values. Okay. Fitness and yoga tips, offer valuable content that viewers can use in their fitness journey. Now, mind you, we don't have to do a YouTube channel on Black and Yoga or any fitness apparel line. It's like, why would I do a YouTube channel on fitness apparel? You don't have to do it. I'm just giving you an idea from when you did a brand strategy, which your brand strategy or your business idea and your business name, and turn it into a brand strategy, where you can go from there and create a YouTube strategy. All right. So it doesn't necessarily have to be on this. All right. So it goes on and on and on. So now you have across all weeks, it's telling you across all weeks, you have week 1 through week 13. That's the first quarter of the month, first quarter of the year 2024. Now across all weeks, SEO and thumbnails, optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. Use compelling thumbnails that reflect the brand's identity. Consistent branding, ensure all videos consistently reflect the brand's colors, logo, and ethos. Call to action, encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and comment on each video, which, as you notice, I've done that in the beginning. And if you haven't done that yet, please go and subscribe, like, and comment. It helps this channel grow. All right. Cross promotion, promote YouTube content across other social media channels of Black and Yoga. Engagement, actively respond to comments and messages to build a community around the channel. Analytics, review regularly, review YouTube analytics to understand what content resonates with the audience and adjust the strategy accordingly. All right. So here it is this is your YouTube strategy. All right, your YouTube strategy. Now, this is your YouTube growth strategy. This is taking you from 0 to, at the end of the quarter, you'll see how many subscribers that you have, and then you can rearrange it up here. Take that same prompt and now look at your analytics and change the views, the hours, watch time, the subscribers, and then it'll grow up further on that. All right, now you're like, okay, I got this. Now what do I need to do? I don't have any titles. I don't know what type of videos to create. All right, so now I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna get another prompt. Let me go ahead and take this prompt here. Give me a few seconds, please. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it down here. And erase this, delete this. Again, these prompts are gonna be down below in the description. Black and Yoga YouTube strategy and the brand strategy above. Write out concise and detailed show topics and titles from the first quarter. What months are those? That's January, February, and March. So we're gonna do from January to March. (31st, 2024), which includes, so we're going to go ahead and include, let's say 3 shows. We're just going to take the 3 shows per week and put it in highlighted bullet format. Each month should have a total of, so 4 times 3 is 12. 12, oh no, not 112. Ooh. 12 show titles. All right, and that is it. Go ahead and hit send message. These tutorials again are going to be quick, simple, so that you can get a basis on what you should do. All right, and here it is. It's giving you show titles and things of which you need on the dates. All right, so here, January, introduction and brand awareness. All right, January 1st, meet Black&Yoga, empowering fitness apparel for you. The story behind Black&Yoga, our mission and vision. Exclusive peek, the making of our signature line, and it goes on and on and on. It's going to give you, so you got January, introduction and brand awareness. So the first 12, the month of January, this is the theme, introduction and brand awareness. All right. In February, community building and engagement. So all these shows are going to give community building and engagement. It's going to help engage your channel. And in March, value added content and practical sessions. All right, there you go. So look, folks, using the information, using your brand strategy, and turning it into a YouTube, turning it into a YouTube content strategy and a YouTube show topics for the first quarter or any quarter. ChatGPT, you can use it using your brand strategy and using these prompts. All right, if you like this information and like these tutorials and you want more tutorials on how to implement AI into your business, your work life, and into your personal lives, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the like, and go ahead and comment on more of the type of videos that you would like to see. All right, until next time, peace.